New arrival. Love getting cars with great history. This got a very interesting story. This is a 1986 911 Carrera. As you can clearly see, it's a European spec car. So you got the smaller bumperettes, the rear fog lamp right there, and the ambers, and of course the turn signals on the side. Also, it's got a little more horsepower because it's a European spec. It didn't have all the US emission stuff. But this car, really interesting story. It was ordered by a Air Force pilot. He was in the Dutch Air Force, a captain. He ordered it from the Porsche factory in Germany. I have all the documentation when he ordered the car. He special ordered it Grand Prix white over the full leather burgundy interior. Everything is leather. I got the leather dash that you can see it's a two-piece dash. It's in fantastic shape. And then he relocated to Texas, and I have all the documentation when he brought it over to the United States shortly after he bought it. Really just kept meticulous service history on it. And it only has 27,548 documented miles. Full leather, like I said. As you see, it doesn't have the radio, it has a blank right there, but the original radio is included, and it was recently overhauled. There's a receipt for it. Just why would you want a radio when it sounds so good with the engine in the back? But it's all original paint, beautiful top, which is unfortunately down at the moment. It is a non-power top, manual top, which is also really nice to have. Just, one last thing to worry about. This is on the build sheet as well. You have the polished lip turbo wheels on it. Super expensive option back then. And I have, again, all the original paperwork over here. We have the original build sheet that he bought from Porsche. Again, he moved to Texas a couple years later. This is in German. But then I have somewhere in here. When he moved to America, we have that the car was still under warranty, 24-month warranty when he moved to the United States, which is awesome. So I have all the original paperwork, like I said, service history, really, and then the newer service history. Awesome car, 1986 911 Carrera with only 27,000 original miles, all original paint, no modifications. Gorgeous Survivor.